Sloppy soap note examples are the fastest way to lose a reimbursement, because if it's not documented, it didn't happen. Documentation errors are common in every medical practice, and behavioral health is no different. Get your soap notes right, and you protect both quality of care and a clean revenue cycle. We will cover what a soap note is, the 4 parts that make it up, and 4 practical ways to improve the ones your team writes today. So what is a soap note? It is the standardized format clinicians use to document day-to-day treatment progress in the chart. Drug and alcohol counselors, behavioral health techs, detox nurses, and physicians all rely on it. The letters stand for subjective, objective, assessment, and plan. 4 sections, every note. Here is what is at stake. Without a proper rationale for treatment, no insurance company will reimburse your center for services rendered. And revising an inaccurate note is more time-consuming than writing it correctly the first time. A generic text box does nothing to catch your mistakes. A purpose-built behavioral health EHR is designed to help. Behave Health's EHR is built with ready-made templates for individual and group notes, so documentation is quick and consistent. It also scans your work for potential errors, timing inconsistencies, blank fields, and details that commonly result in denials. That error minimization is designed to support cleaner documentation and smoother reimbursement. Before we improve them, let us walk through the 4 parts every soap note must cover. Subjective, objective, assessment, and plan. Part 1. Subjective. Capture what the client tells you in their own words, the chief complaint, and how they describe what they are experiencing. Go in with a plan and a basic outline of the chief complaint before you start typing. Part 2. Objective. Record the observable, measurable facts, presentation, behavior, and any clinical findings from the session. In addiction treatment, more than one factor is often at play. Depression or anxiety frequently presents alongside substance use disorder. Part 3. Assessment. Document your clinical interpretation of the subjective and objective information, your reasoning about the client's progress. Take time with the client first. Discovering a second concern after the note is written means a costly rewrite. Part 4. Plan. Support the plan with comprehensive subjective, objective, and assessment sections. That detail is the heart of every successful note. Tie the plan to the measurable objectives in the client's treatment plan, the primary document payers use to gauge medical necessity. Now, 4 ways to improve the soap notes your team writes today. 1. Use an EHR that double-checks for errors, because time pressure makes manual review unreliable. 2. Allow for complexity. Capture co-occurring concerns instead of rushing to the keyboard. 3. Connect assessment with intervention so anyone reviewing the chart can follow the logic behind your plan. 4. Keep it concise. Thorough but brief notes respect your colleagues' time and speed up your own review. A strong note reads clearly to anyone who picks up the chart. Write so an insurance company, a lawyer, or a family member can understand the logic behind your plan. Precision of language and clarity of thought keep the note short, shareable, and easy to check for accuracy. This is where the right platform changes the work. Behave Health builds documentation into the same system your team already uses. Ready-made templates for individual and group notes keep every soap note consistent and complete. Smart error detection flags blank fields and timing inconsistencies before a note ever reaches a payer. By connecting clean documentation to your revenue cycle, it is designed to help centers get reimbursed faster. Stop losing reimbursements to documentation errors. See SOAP, DAP, and BURP templates with built-in error detection. Book a 20-minute demo at behavehealth.com. See the progress note templates and smart error detection built into your EHR. Book a 20-minute demo at behavehealth.com.